to Chord on guitar, Portugal the Man. This song is called Dummy. So it's a fun song to listen and also watch. If you can look at the music video, you will understand. A great fun song to play as well. So let's start here, capo on second, and we'll have a couple chords to go over here. So we'll start with the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have F next. Place a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have G here, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And speaking of E, that's the next chord. We have open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we'll also add in D minor here, played in the bridge part. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Alright, so let's look at this song now and look at the strumming pattern. A will be the first chord. So we will look at the strumming with the A. So grab that one, and one strumming round will be down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. And a couple of rounds of that will sound. With this string pattern, usually I play the two first downs on the bass strings, and the last down, down, up, I play more on the top mid strings. So it gives a little bit of color when you're playing this. So bass, bass, top, top, top. That's basically what I mean. So let's start with the actual song. The first verse goes A, 2 string rounds, then F, 2, G2, and E2. So 2 string rounds per chord, chord progression A, F, G, and E. You're going to play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So let's do that together. Again. A2, F2, G2, and E2. Alright, that takes us to the chorus, and here you will continue with A, now 4 rounds, then F 2 rounds, and E 2 rounds. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. So. From now, it's pretty much repetition when it comes to the verses and choruses. You will play that in the same way. Second verse and second chorus comes right after. So nothing changes there. And after the second chorus, about 1 minute and 50 seconds into the song, comes the bridge parts. And this one is a little bit blurrier, so there are some pickings going on in the background. But the basic chords that lies there beneath is F, 2 string rounds, E, 2 string rounds, D minor, here comes the D minor in, 2 string rounds, and back to E, 2 string rounds. You play only that chord progression 1 round, and then you go back to the chorus. But you can go and listen to this first, the bridge part. So we're going with F2, E2, D minor 2, and E2. So right after this comes the third and final chorus, and it's played in the same way as the previous choruses, so nothing changes there, and that is how Portugal the Man's Dummy ends. So pretty easy play here, pretty basic chords and nothing too hard. The strumming pattern is very easy as well. So give it a try, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and play tuned.